Previously on the Young and the Ratchet, Chris and Bob were both talking about their relationship problems.
She going crazy right now. Man, fuck that. I'm trying to talk to my girl. Man, that's what's up, bro. I don't know how to listen to that. Yeah, man.
When suddenly, Bob's girlfriend Cuckoo come knocking at the door. But what she doesn't know is that their longtime friend Tina has been having an affair with him.
Well, I wasn't invited. You with the family? So I wasn't invited.
Phones came from nowhere, tweaking, trying to alleviate the situation.
Fuck you, nigga. You ain't no shit.
Come on, baby.
I'm like, what?
That's my girl, right?
Fuck that!
You see me, and you be like, fuck all that. And I be like, you tell me you gonna let me, and all this is shit.
I love her right here.
Why you love her?
But little did everyone know, he has a secret of his own. Now, the Young and the Ratchet.
Jerry!
Say, I love her because you see what she doing? She cooking for me.
But George, it's something you put propose to me.
But she keep a nigga fed though.
Oh, shit! What the fuck do you do, Tina? Ooh. Bitch!
You on blast, motherfucker!
Me? I can tell you, I do everything. You ain't shit. Bitch, I fuck him right. What you do? Oh, shit it out. Suck him right. Tell her.
Okay, she do suck me right.
That's all.
But she cook for me though. I be hungry. I be hungry. When the fuck you when you hungry? I can't go get no pussy when I'm hungry. It don't make me feel when I'm hungry.
I do all this. Who do you love?
Oh, she's like shades, nigga. She got no shades.
You got the shoes now. Shoes right now.
See the whole
Shoes
time.
right now.
See the whole time.
Hold the fuck on. Let me see who the fuck this is. Who this is? Shoes right now.
I love
I can't
you.
do it anymore.
I love you.
It's like it's part of the movie, I promise you.
Excuse me. I'm supposed to take this. But you know what?
I love you and I love her.
You know
But you know what though? You know what though?
Queen, what you
I
doing
wish
though?
both of y'all was the same woman. I wish you chose what you got and she took
I'm your mama. What you doing, Queen?
I wish I could just smush y'all together and y'all be the same person because I like that she cooking clean. No. I like that she give it to me.
You gotta choose.
You said that for
How can I choose?
Man, can I get some?
It's just good for just now.
Please give me my
Yeah, that's it, man.
Me or this bitch.
Yes, I'm playing my mama.
Shit, all the time right now.
I was there for you. I was there for you.
Wait a minute.
I'm sorry.
This is a good what to say.
I'm fucking you. Oh, hold on. What?
So,
No.
Choose. You fucking him?
Okay, you better get fucking bitch. You feel like you already fucking that. No, the fuck you're not.
this
He
time.
put the ING in
Directors in the video. Yeah, big lips.
right now. King.
It was one time. It wasn't
And then-
That's all drunk.
He didn't say he fucked you. He said fuck King. The ING. He said ING.
Okay, wait till y'all see this shit tomorrow. What was it?
He said ING. Y'all are sorry.
All night, every day.
So you been fuck King?
And his homies.
Yeah.
She like the homies too.
Yeah.
She love me though.
But good thing.
Billy Ray J, she fucked up.
I like yes.
Yes, sure, man. You nigga, you a nut, nigga.
I never told you that.
You a nut, nigga. She love me.
Yeah. It was one day.
You been fuck King.
Square all over here.
She wasn't telling me.
Hello.
Okay. You been fuck King him?
Just
You been fuck King?
Just once.
It's all acting. Is it good?
Brothers is ready. We was drunk. I don't even remember.
Don't answer
You
that.
don't remember.
Don't answer that.
So you doing shit now you don't remember. But that's cool.
It was once.
It's cool.
Bill.
I ain't tripping.
One
Yeah.
time.
Bro, what's your name?
What's your fucking name? You know your fucking name out of fun?
You fuck King, my bitch.
I'm the king.
Thank you.
I'm King Bob.
You what?
I'm thinking, Rory.
Oh, he said he the king.
Oh.
I mean,
No, back this way, back this way.
And
Well,
what's the matter?
baby, you worry about him for shit, cause I took all this fucking money. What did you want? You took his money? I paid all
Damn.
this shit. You told me you lost it. You put all in
Can I get some flaming hot?
just talking shit because she mad at home.
Yeah.
I got nothing to do with that.
I paid our furniture bill.
I ain't got nothing to do with that.
When you lost your fucking job, you
nothing
paid
to
that
do.
furniture bill. And that's fair. And that's why
Oh.
You pregnant.
That's why I'm pregnant.
My baby, right?
Rusty, I gotta come back to these motherfuckers right here now. They made it juicy.
It better not be his baby.
Better than my baby. Fuck that shit.
I don't know.
What's the baby name? Joker?
Hey.
These motherfuckers.
Don't do it to the camera. Stay in character. Stay in character.
So you been fucking around on me? You got a baby now?
And it ain't yours. I'm leaving. So it's yours?
You leaving? What the fuck you
Y'all
doing?
really put my goofy ass up this camera.
What the fuck you boy?
How do you in the liquor bag though? Alright, y'all.
You just gonna open me like that after all we been through?
You ain't got a cigarette. Deal with the shit. Get your ass out.
I'm fucking up. Where did that come about? I just know that you think that's his
She
baby.
just said you was fucking her.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that
She
bitch.
just said that was your
You
baby.
said he was pregnant. You said.
Whoa. Time out. He pregnant. That nigga pregnant.
Oh,
You pregnant.
Nah, G.
Y'all not about to do this. Y'all not about to do it. You see this bitch just
She
sitting
said she was pregnant now, homie.
Hey, y'all got the wrong motherfucker. Y'all need to go to this girl right here.
You fucked my bitch.
I did fuck your bitch. And your bitch gonna get fucked out. Get your ass out.
But I'm pregnant.
You pregnant? What the fuck? What the fuck? Who the fuck you pregnant with?
Man, I honestly don't know.
What?
No,
I ain't worked that out right.
Fuck that shit.
I don't know. There was only one time that you was locked up at the time and I was lonely. I didn't know what to do.
So you gonna run to fuck this nigga?
Just
That young
what?
ass nigga?
It's not your fucking child.
Man, fuck that bitch, man.
So what?
I'll fuck the bitch.
So you gon' fuck a nigga while I'm locked up?
But I know you do.
You love me.
He said you love me. You love me. Like, bro, you love me though.
Let me digest that. How much you love me? You fucking. Alright, okay.
It's only one. So you can't say fucking.
Was it good?
We fucking.
What the fuck is good?
No.
I hope it's fucking good.
See you, get run. Get your ass back out there. Get back out the scene. Don't run.
Okay.